Yeah, the corner down.
Hey, sorry, I don't know.
The road no good now. See the stress person. Come on for road, Jare. Get out.
Camera lè wà ń bẹ̀, am I doing illegal work? Bon.
Camera lè. Sorry. We are struggling. That's what happens when you are in a lawless country.
Update your computer.
No, it's not on. I'm going to Idi-Iroko.
Update is my friend.
Okay. From Nigeria, from Lagos. I'm a Delta State, but I come on base. $1 million. Okay. If you don't stand very well to pick you. I'm in Ojuore. I have to maneuver myself. They are pushing the overhead bridge. There are a bit of traffic. I'm ready to. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to do Iroko side. Everywhere is long. We are in Idi-Iroko road, and even if you see it is wobbling, my back is wobbling. This is how my back is doing. But I just have to go and create this content. Now better traffic here today. So that I will see you guys when I get to after. This traffic is something else. Let's see. Everywhere is blocked. Today is Saturday. What are they found for that Lagos people? Obuset Lagos people. What are you guys looking up on? Everybody, people they go wedding, wedding events, etc. I know I'm breaking rules, but it's not my fault. Sorry. We are struggling. That's what happens when you are in a lawless country. Things like this are bound to happen once in a while. So everybody is struggling, surviving. We are trying to survive. So this is what Nigeria. This is just Nigeria on a normal day. This is how Nigeria runs on a normal day. So I'm not going to do it. I'm always blocking. The corner down. The road no good now. See the stress person. Come on for road, Jare. Get out. Now this road no good now. See the stress person. They mad. Causing chaos on the way. Road no good, I go dey block road. Come for road.
Let me know.
From where?
Let me know. Good morning. Camera dey one. Am I doing illegal work?
Okay, so
I'm not a thief.
Okay, so match the Congo.
Hey, shut up, you're my friend. This camera. This thing no work. No ṣiṣẹ́ anymore.
Tá bá ti rí ayé lórí TikTok ẹ bá mọ̀. Ẹ sọ pé ẹ ò kí ẹ̀. Ẹ ò kí ẹ̀ náà àbí? Ẹ ṣe nǹkan burúkú tàbí tí ẹ ṣe nǹkan burúkú ni ẹ. Ẹnìkan ló fi inú bí mi ni mo fi react. Kábílà lè. Ẹnìkan ló fi inú bí mi láwùú yẹ so ìbínú ẹ̀ ni mo fi ń bọ̀ kí ṣe pé bí mo burú ẹ̀ sọ́ọ̀tì. Kí lẹ sọ? Mo lọ sí Idi-Iroko ọ̀nà méjìjì. No kò sẹ́ni tí mi ní cash ọlọ. Tí bá ní cash máa fi ẹ̀ máa wọlé. Mi no problem ẹ tẹ́kẹ̀. Believe me, let me do myself too. Let me do myself because I think I'm not that. Let me do myself because see now, from when I entered toll gate, I've been seeing traffic left and right. Even from Ojore, traffic. I spent close to 35 minutes in Ojore. Even before I started recording, I would have just gone back. I would just turn back. Idi-Iroko side is a border side. No, there's a border in Idi-Iroko, so border between Nigeria and Cotonou. So you'll be seeing a lot of checkpoints, lot of checking points. I mean, on the road. So I don't know. From Lagos.
Where for Lagos?
Ogba. Ogba for Lagos.
Ogba to Okapta.
No, it's not on. I'm going to Idi-Iroko.
Ogba is my friend.
Okay, I know now.
You editor.
I I know on Iroko me on ẹ ṣe.
Ìjọba dé bọ́lẹ̀ tí ń lọ ṣìkẹ́lá dé bọ́lẹ̀ tí wà.
Èkó mo ti wà ọgbà mo gbélé Èkó mo fẹ́ dé Idi-Iroko.
Láti wo lọ́gbà. My brother, I'm father. Oh yeah, wait now.
He say man dey go, you don see bigger the thing. Officer, make I dey go abi?
Dey go my dad.
All right, thank you. Officer don see boys wey get big body pass me. All right. So we are in Oseindu. When I touch this neighborhood, I've been to this neighborhood before. I think I entered that neighborhood there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in Okay, you know Okay. It's after Ato. Okay, neighborhood, that's where we are going.
La 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 la, so people can enjoy the beat. La 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 la. Bush baby stuff, Lisis. La 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 la. Oh 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 oh. Money no day, money day, we go still rejoice. Christmas clothes done ready, choir lift your voice. Echo la wajaye, feel the Christmas breeze. Banger for the sky, light up the streets. Oh, Christmas clock on body, we go shine today. When I catch plenty, or you know today, we go dance small to the break of day. Case my wife, blessings on the way. On the sunrise, Mama Friday do. Agbada Iroko, everybody go. Push baby, wave small, great boys for road. Echo do neighbor, share the load. Rice pot, sinners, they call my name. Kids they shout, bangers pass like flame. No holla today, now peace we play. Joy for the compound, love no shame. Clap your hands, palanga on time. Snap small picture, memory fine. Pocket light, still hold your line. God go do everything online. Oh. Christmas cloth on body, we go shine today. But I cash plenty, or you know today, we go dance small to the break of day. We kiss my wife, blessings on the way. Oh, Christmas cloth on body, Christmas cloth on body, street parade.
So, my people, one of our community members by the name Bush Baby, he's a musician. He has a Christmas song. Please guys, help us go and stream his song. The link is in my description if you want to listen to his song. He has 2 Christmas songs. New Christmas song that he released. Christmas Groove, Sweet Christmas Groove and Christmas Club. Believe me, if you listen to that song, you are going to remember home. Especially something in that corner. If you listen to that song, you are going to remember home. You will miss home. Skirt. This is the alcohol called skirt. Alright guys, we are in I think we are ready to pass Idi-Iroko side now. Okay, I think we are closer to Idi-Iroko. We are in Owode Yiwa. So it's very busy. You can see a lot of things here. I think this will take you to Ilaro. Alright guys. We are ready to what we call. We are ready to Idi-Iroko. I just hope the road will be good like this one, like where I'm coming from. So if you are from Owode, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Are you enjoying this video, my people? This is where you click the super thanks. You want to support my channel. This is where you buy me coffee. If you have the buy me coffee link. Also buy me coffee if you have the super thanks. There's super thanks. As you're watching the video, you will see super thanks in the description. You see super thanks. You can buy all super thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and yeah. Liking the video is also a way of you supporting the channel. You can also share with your loved ones, family who used to live around here. That's the purpose of this video. We are not here to sell anything to you guys. We are just here to showcase your neighborhood, give you a nostalgia feelings. Alright guys, if you know what they try, let us know in the comment section. I don't want episodes to be too long today because Idi-Iroko is a major focus. Then after Idi-Iroko, we can go to the next video, we can go to other places. Alright, so we are in Ogun State, Nigeria. We are getting for you, I like to get salvation. Still your blood. So guys, we are in Okeodun now. Okeodun. It's Odun, not Okeodun. O-D-A-N. Okeodun. Okeodun. Alright guys. So I remember recently, after my Laro video, somebody commented that I should showcase Okeodun for him. That his dad is from here. So luckily for us, we are in Okeodun. We are not far from Idi-Iroko side. Okay. So they are from Okeodun town. We are in your town. Although I did not plan that I'm going to showcase your town. I know I just did it, my people. This is where you hit the super tank. Alright, my people. Yewa South. Yeah. Under construction. So that from Yewa side. Okay, Odo. So last time. That does that.
Yeah, it's agreed to Oga. Well done.
Yeah.
But
I'm going to Idi-Iroko side.
Where
From
are you
Lagos. From Lagos.
Oh, more. Look. That's well.
From Nigeria. From Lagos. From Lagos. Okay, I'm from Nigeria.
Where from Nigeria?
From Delta State, but based in Lagos.
Delta.
But based in Lagos.
Where are you going?
Idi-Iroko. This is my NI.
Go like this. Go.
Okay.
Stop.
Why does that? Why does that? Why no? Steven. I'm a Delta State, but I come base. From Agbaro. Now the language person said. I'm not sure. We have seen our money again. Come on, money. Alright, I check that. No, be better they go. Oga speak Yoruba for me now. He said what Yoruba. Although most people, even though they're not there the language, that was Yoruba. Everybody hear that one. I answer. Oga never speak that one. I just want to see Idi-Iroko. I don't go taste it. But I know they cross. Why cross?
Why got the video everywhere now?
I be tourist ni wa. Tall hour. Yeah.
But don't carry that heavy one now. That heavy light.
My money never reach like that. It costs so. When my money reach, I go buy that one. That one if I dey come, you go to Yara from that side. No wahala. All those 800cc. All right, boss. Thank you. It's my NI that saved me just now. Alright guys, so we are still in the Odo side. We are not in Idi-Iroko yet. So there's one resort here. There's a large resort. It's around here. This is the extra large resort. Don't think there's a road. Okay. I don't know. Alright, so inside is a farm and also a resort. Okay, I think this is their rooms now. The building is beautiful, man. Oh, this is a wonderful real estate. The person that did this thing. This is a big real estate investment. The guy said they don't have lounge. So. It's always someone can chill now. Bro. That's nice. Keep it up, man. So you guys are on vacation, right? Are you guys on vacation?
Yeah, just yet.
Like a get together. Someone like me that don't know how to draw. Can I learn it instantly?
Yes, my first time is this.
Like a Jackson.
Oh my God, it's really good. Oh, you this is amazing.
Especially this scarf.
Yes.
I love this scarf. This scarf for me. Who is looking? Hello. There's no one here, man. Just for reservations, right?
Yes.
So if I don't do reservations, nothing for me.
Like you want drink?
Uh,
And these are drinks.
no water.
Hot water is 500.
I bring it, no problem. Alright guys, so I bought water. It's basically where you just do reservations, like let's say you want to do outing with your friends, get together and the rest. Or maybe you just want to escape from Lagos stress. But you see those things I showed you guys while I was coming. Those you have to encounter them just to get to this place. The place is very, very nice. Just this is a restaurant. I entered from the reception. So, but their room here start from 12,000, from 80,000. Then their meal is from 12,000. So it's just for people that just want to chill out, have an amazing time. Alright guys, so I just came to check it out, sure. Alright guys, I got let's find my way to. Okay, there's ostrich there. No need. Let me go. So they also have food. Anyway guys, let me go. I can't be giving people free advert on my platform. People need to be paying me for things that I do on my platform, not the other way around. So it should not be the other way around. So I think I deserve to be paid. Bad as it bad. Alright guys. It's not about money, let's just do what we love. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. I want to see this thing.
Who's that?
I want to show someone, one of my colleagues.
What's that?
The
Red card.
Can I record it and show the person?
What's in more?
Alright, thank you. Okay, so this is their rate card from 80k, like I said. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Let's wait for you to that fully my love.
Alright guys, so let's find out. There are a lot of natural things here that they have vulture and vulture ostrich. Yeah, well done. Alright sir, thank you. Let's go guys. You're corruption. There are a lot of hotels and resorts. So it's closer to the store. That's so what kind of business are going to sell a lot around here as well. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Idi-Iroko side of Ogun State, Nigeria. So if you are from Idi-Iroko, let us know in the comment section. We just arrived in your neighborhood. Guys, tell me what I'm amazing about Idi-Iroko. Just want to show you guys one of two places and before we head to other places. Are you enjoying this video, my people? This is how you support my channel. This is how you subscribe to my YouTube. This is how you buy me super thanks. This is where you buy me coffee. Yeah, you buy me coffee link. I don't support the channel. They are wire transfer. No support is too small. Any support you give to us is what we are going to use, to go and create more amazing adventure for you guys. Thank you so much. So if you know Idi-Iroko, let us know in the comment section. Tell us what I'm going to do. Let us see where this place is first. I'll check this other side. Okay. So this is the border between Nigeria and Cotonou. I will see if I can check that other side. But let me see the end of this place first. Alright, my people. I used to think Idi-Iroko is in Lagos, like it is part of what's it called, Lake Badagry. I know that they are very, very different from each other. So Seme is Lagos State border, while Idi-Iroko is Ogun State border. So Lagos State border, that's why you have Lagos State. If you want to travel to Cotonou from Lagos, you have to find your way to Seme border. But if you want to travel from Ogun State, you don't need to go to Seme, you just go to Idi-Iroko. There's a border in Idi-Iroko, and from there you are leaving Nigeria. So guys, and I know this town is going to bring a lot of memories for a lot of Nigerians who are in the diaspora. Especially those of them that relocated like 20, 30 years ago. I hope I'm giving you guys memory. This is what the Idi-Iroko looks like. You know, we capture places that the media refuse to capture for you guys. That's why we are here. Anyways, people, we are in Ikolade Road. Ikolade Road. This is the local market. Okay, so I guess this is the border. So we'll just turn at the border. We're not entering the border. I'm not with my, what was it for? I'm not with my, what do they call it? My passport. If not, once I cross, I'm going to Cotonou border. Alright. So guys, thank you so much. This is border between Nigeria and Cotonou. So once you pass here now, you're already in the Cotonou already. Alright, my people. Let me go inside. Let me go inside. I will come back. I will come out later. Let me just go inside and come out. I'm not really doing anything. Alright guys, so let's check. This is old baggage road. Old baggage road. Ifokia local government. I attend the Ifokia local government primary school. We just passed Ikola J. It's not Ikola D, Ikola J. Alright. So we are in old baggage road. Alright, my people. Yeah. So this is what the Idi-Iroko looks like. Let me just check one or two places. I was also thinking of going to Awoshasha, another area, but there's not really need for now. Maybe you can have request. Just let me know if you want me to visit other parts, because I think Idi-Iroko is the major focus. Idi-Iroko is the major focus. So the Awoshasha, Ethiopia, and the rest, they are neighboring villages around Idi-Iroko, but they are all under Ethiopia local government. But if you want me to still go and still do that in future episodes. So if you know old baggage road in Idi-Iroko, let us know in the comment section. Alright guys. And one thing about this, if you want to go to, those of you in Nigeria, you want to go to, let's say you want to go to outside Africa countries, and believe me, this place is one of the best places to come. This Idi-Iroko border, you know, there are less crowds. The crowds are very, very lesser. Unlike the Lagos, from where everywhere will be so choked. You know, Lagos, everywhere is full in Lagos. Lagos is capital now, it's economic capital, so it will always be full. So there's always traffic in Seme border and the rest. But I'm not saying, I'm not trying to compare the two, but I'm just saying, those of you in Ogun State, instead of going to, what was it called? Instead of going to Seme, but just do your thing here. Although they see a river you can still pass, or they see a road you can pass to Badagry and Seme border. Alright guys. I don't know this whole area, but Mama, good afternoon. Yes, ma'am. Well done. From Lagos. And Alafia. We bring Alafia for you, man. God, we bring God blessing. Thank you. Alright guys, how do they call this thing? I don't know where I am. I think I'm lost. Okay, this is Ethiopia Road. I don't know if I should go to Ethiopia. Oju Iroko Road, Ethiopia local government. Alright, let's just see the end of this place before we go and check the other side. So if you attend the Poka local government primary school in Idi-Iroko, the school was founded in 1946, I mean. Just pass your alma mater. Let's look for that busy side in the town. So this is what it looks like to live in the border town in Ogun State. Alright guys. So I hope I give you guys, from this area, I hope I give you guys some memories. Alright guys. Where else do you want me to visit? In Ogun State? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be doing other states very soon. Yes. Mercy Land Guest House. Mercy Land Guest House. Idi-Iroko See you guys. We are back to where we were just now. And, so this was where I came out from earlier. So let's see what this will look like before we end today's episode. So Nigeria Custom Staff School, okay. This is School of Custom. There's also the medical staff, medical center there. So this is the view from Central Mosque. All of my people. A lot of amazing things that I'm seeing in this video. The police headquarters. We go to police headquarters. But when I did my research, so I guess my job in Idi-Iroko is done. check this place. Let's check here. What we have to talk for Idi-Iroko. Let's just check it for my people in diaspora. Afirikuru. Aferikuru. Alright, my people. So I'm still going to go to extra large farms and just see what it looks like. Aferikuru. Alright. Okay, my people. Because of time. River plan. Okay, my people. Alright. Alright, let's go.